My name is Sarah. My job title is Order and Inventory Management. Our industry is manufacturing. And out of 10, I would rate this a 10. We have had a great experience. This product has allowed us to seamlessly and effortlessly connect with all of our retail trade partners in a way that we would not be able to without it. In my experience, the best part of this product has been the support that we've gotten from our team. The team has been nothing but wonderful. They're proactive, they're kind, they're great partners to work with, and have just made everything so easy. We honestly haven't had any issues or dislikes with this product. Everything has been 100% easy to understand, follow, and use. I guess if I had to pick something, it would be the dashboard. I think that is a me problem, not a company problem. I'm not very tech savvy. So navigating the dashboard with documents and things like that I'm not 100% familiar with has been a little tricky. But I wouldn't say that it's a dislike. I would encourage anyone else using this product just to be very open with your team. They are super responsive. They're very knowledgeable. They can get you just about anything that you need. I would not recommend trying to navigate everything on your own when you have such wonderful partners that you can rely on to get information for you. So I guess it's kind of a work smarter, not harder perspective. When you have the subject matter experts at your disposal, you should definitely use them.